think the Kew Gardener series is so successful because it's such a broad range of information and topics, and all delivered from experts within the field.
It relays so much information in such a kind of easily attainable way, and it has so many little projects in it as well, artistic projects, ways to create little mini rainforests, whatever it may be. I think these books will serve you well.
My name's Helena Dove and I'm the kitchen gardener here at Kew, and I wrote the Kew Gardeners Guide to Vegetable Growing.
Hi, I'm Brie Langley and I work here in the Palm House at Kew Gardens and the Water Lily House too.
I think the Kew brand is really important. My workplace is full of experts who've been doing it for years. Kew itself has been on here for nearly 100 years, so it's a real legacy of information that we're passing on through the books.
And it's this meeting between scientists and horticulturalists, and we're now seen world over as a centre of excellence really in both elements. There was a great piece of advice on the houseplants one, where there was a maiden hair fern, and the piece of advice in the book was just, look, unless you get it perfect straight off, it's not going to work. And I just thought that was so typical of so many houseplants. People think that they're easy and they're really not, they're really tricky. And then there are so many other plants afterwards. So it's like, yeah, that one's really tricky, but look at the rest of them. There's so many choices out there that can fill that hole in your windowsill.
So it's a really good way for people to have a piece of Kew and the knowledge that I get to access daily at their home on their bookshelves.
I just hope that people will be able to get what they want out of the series, and that it will encourage them growing at home.